Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore the evolution of three key technologies in the transformation of modern enterprises: artificial intelligence, advanced analytics, and digital twins. These tools have come a long way from their theoretical beginnings to become practical solutions that optimize processes and improve business efficiency. This image shows us this transformation in today's business world, highlighting how these technologies work together to improve decision-making and data management. The history of artificial intelligence dates back to the 1950s, when Alan Turing asked the question, "Can machines think?" In this picture, we see how AI was initially an experimental concept, largely developed in academia. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was coined at the Dartmouth Conference, establishing AI as a formal field. During the 1960s and 1970s, algorithms and expert systems capable of solving specific problems were developed. The real impact of AI began in the 1990s and 2000s, when increased computational capacity enabled the development of machine learning, giving way to systems that learn from large amounts of data. Today, thanks to deep learning, AI is an indispensable tool for advanced tasks such as facial recognition, virtual assistants, and recommendation systems. This image illustrates the growth of advanced analytics, which began in the 1960s with descriptive analysis, limited to spreadsheets and basic statistical tools. In the 1990s, the use of ERP systems and databases enabled companies to manage large volumes of data and understand their performance. The breakthrough in analytics occurred in the 2000s with the rise of big data and machine learning. Today, advanced analytics includes techniques such as data mining and natural language processing, providing companies with predictive and prescriptive insights that guide real-time decision-making. Digital twins have their roots in NASA space simulation in the 1960s and 1970s. This image highlights the evolution of digital twins in the 1990s, when their application expanded to industry and engineering. With the advent of the Internet of Things, IoT, digital twins have become an indispensable tool in Industry 4.0, enabling real-time data collection and analysis to simulate and optimize industrial operations. Today, these virtual replicas, integrated with AI, help predict problems, optimize processes, and minimize downtime in sectors such as automotive and energy. This diagram shows the current state of artificial intelligence. Today, AI has been democratized, allowing companies of all sizes to integrate it into their operations through platforms such as Google Cloud AI, Microsoft Azure, and Amazon Web Services. This has facilitated access to AI tools to improve operational management, marketing, and customer service, optimizing efficiency in an accessible way. Today, advanced analytics is central to business strategies. Cloud tools such as Snowflake and Databricks allow companies to analyze large volumes of data in real time and obtain detailed insights for strategic decisions. Meanwhile, digital twins have advanced with the integration of AI and IoT, enabling real-time simulations of complex systems. This is particularly useful in high-precision sectors, such as the automotive and energy industries, where it allows operations to be simulated and adjusted to maximize efficiency. In this image, we can see the transformation of these technologies in the digital era. The combination of artificial intelligence, advanced analytics, and digital twins not only improves the operational efficiency of companies, but also gives them a competitive advantage by anticipating trends and adapting quickly to market changes. If you are interested in implementing these technologies in your organization to transform productivity and strengthen competitiveness, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. We will work together to develop a strategy that optimizes the efficiency and use of resources in your company. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.